are not where you are. You didn't hear what I just said. You are not where you are. Where you are is not you. Where you are is not you. Where you are is transit. It's transit. That means it's passing. Your speaking is your life. Remember the illustration I gave to you. How do you speak? God gave me this, and I want to remind you again. I've used this before here, but I want to show you this. If there's a 10-story building and there's a lift, and you are at the ground floor, when you press the button and the lift opens and you enter in, you are at that moment on what floor? Ground floor. But if you want to go to the 10th floor, you will not press ground floor, even though you are at the ground floor. If you want to go to the 10th floor, you must press the button 10, even though you are on ground. Who understands that? You must press ground. You must press 10th floor, even though you are on ground. Now, that there are people on that lift going to first floor doesn't mean you should change what you pressed. That there are people there going on the 3rd floor doesn't mean you should change what you pressed. What you pressed was 10th floor. When you press the 10th floor, you stay and wait. The lift will take you. The lift will take you. When you are in that lift, it doesn't feel like life in the 10th floor. It doesn't look like much is happening. In fact, when the lift starts moving, you feel like you're going down, but you stay there. What it means is this. In life, when you're on the ground floor, if you want to go to the 10th floor, you must find out the language of the 10th floor. There's a 10th floor language. Even though you are on the ground floor, you have to start speaking the 10th floor language. Can I tell you something? If you enter that lift and you're on the ground floor and you press ground floor, do you know what's going to happen? The door will close. The door will wait for a while. Then the lift will say, oh, where he pressed is where he is. After a while, it will open back up for you. You will come out and you are in the same place. This is what people do. They're on the ground floor. So they say, why should I speak that language when I am not there? Why should I talk like that when I am not there? So they talk where they are.